2 years ago, Bloomberg posted, forecast for U.S. recession within the year hits 100%, October 17th, 2022. I don't know about you, but I don't know a single profession other than maybe the weatherman and Jim Cramer that can be as wrong as economists and still get a paycheck every single month. As a matter of fact, if we look at where this tweet came out in regards to the bear market, it actually came out a few days after the market had bottomed. I cannot stress enough that economists, and particularly the financial media, are not there to make you any money whatsoever. Their business model does not thrive when you make money. As a matter of fact, you losing money and consistently sitting on the sidelines probably makes them more money, because why else would they constantly inundate us with these types of end of world scenarios? Why? It's because they monetize your attention. They know that fear is the greatest human emotion, and so they use it to their advantage to pump their bank accounts. Guys, I cannot stress enough, you should not be reliant on lagging economic data, particularly out of economists' mouths, if you're looking to make money in the stock market. They are two completely different things. And I'm going to be honest with you, if you're still listening to me rant about this, I'm pissed off. I'm pissed because everything that you read online and you see on YouTube is 100% striking fear in your heart and kind of preparing you for this doomsday scenario that never happened. As a matter of fact, you know, if you've been trading over the last couple of years, you should probably know this, but the market is up 70% from the absolute low of the bear market. Listen, you can be bearish all you want, but if you have been trading this market or sitting on the sidelines as a bear or waiting for the next big crash for 2 years straight, you're not early, you're a loser. I'm going to be the first one to tell you, you're crazy. Einstein said crazy, right? People that do the exact same thing time and time again and expect a different outcome, you guys are crazy and you're losers, okay? There's no other way to put it. If we look at the data straight from the St. Louis Federal Reserve, up until like a month ago, there was a little gray box here in 2022 showcasing that there was a very minor recession. That has been phased out. They updated the data and said, whoops, never mind, there was no recession. Guys, there was no recession in 2022. There's not going to be a recession in 2024. They're constantly keeping you on the hamster wheel of clicking and doomsday prepping and keeping your money on the sideline because they make pennies for every minute that you watch while you lose out on generational wealth opportunities preparing for something that will never happen. But guess what? Goldman Sachs came out last week and said, don't worry. Don't worry, guys. The probability of a U.S. recession has now fallen to 15%. This was a week ago. It is now lower after new economic data has just come out showcasing that the economy is roaring. Consumer data is ripping. The labor market is not bad whatsoever. And that the Federal Reserve is cutting not to stave off a recession, but to inspire growth. If you've been on the wrong side of the trade for the last 2 years, I welcome you to dip your toes into the market for the first time. It never hurts to be bullish in a bull market. I cannot stress this enough. Once again, looking at YouTube, just go type US recession or whatever. All of the videos every day slamming you with just the worst type of opinions. Can this stuff get any worse? And the worst part is, if you actually dive into the individual creators on YouTube, not the big media outlets, they have the most outlandish and ridiculous takes, and yet those videos have 100, 200,000 views. They have hundreds of comments coming in that you're right, you're just early. No, you're not right. You're not early. You're just wrong. And as a matter of fact, if these content creators on YouTube have been trading the way that they have been making content for the last 2 years, they haven't made a single dime in the market. They have not made a single dime in the market trading. Right? I feel like I'm living in crazy land right now. If you look at this uptrend and you don't trust it, that's fine. But to sit here and pretend that the reason why you're not trading this is because an upcoming recession that has been upcoming for the last 2 years, you're a loser. I have no sales pitch. My name is Hamilton. I'm here with the Trading Initiative. I don't care if this hurts your feelings. I'm here to teach you, not to make you feel good.